Hey kids, welcome back. It's me, Chip, and today we're going to explore something lots of kids, teachers, and even parents use every day: Google Workspace. And you might be wondering, what's that? Google Workspace is like a big digital toolbox full of apps that help you learn, share, and work together. Imagine having your backpack, notebook, pencil case, and classroom all on your computer or tablet. So let's dive in and meet some of the tools in this magical toolbox. So when you first open up Google, if you look on the top right, you will see 9 dots in a square. And these are called your Google Apps. And if you click on the dots, then all of your Google Apps will appear on the screen. So let's meet some of these amazing tools. You have got Gmail for sending and receiving emails, like digital letters. You have Google Docs for writing stories, essays, or even homework. Google Sheets for numbers, charts, and organizing things like scores or lists. Google Slides for making colorful presentations to share your ideas. Google Drive. This is your storage space, like a big online locker, to keep all your files safe. And Google Meet for your video calls, like a virtual classroom or meeting with friends. So one of the best parts of Google Workspace is you can share your work with your teachers or classmates with just one click. So instead of emailing files, all you have to do is just press share, type their email address, and boom, they can see your work right away. So now let's compare Google Workspace with Microsoft Office 365, as Office 365 has another set of amazing tools that help you write stories, make slides, and save your work safely online. But this one is a super toolbox made by Microsoft. So let's take a look inside. So how do you get into Office 365 on your computer? Well, on Windows 11, if you search for Microsoft 365 Copilot, once you click on it, it will ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account. And once you're signed in, it will bring up the Microsoft 365 Copilot window. And if you look on the left-hand side, you will see the word Apps. And if you click on Apps, it will bring up all your Office 365 applications. So what Office 365 applications do you have? Well, you have Microsoft Word for typing letters, Excel for creating spreadsheets, PowerPoint for creating beautiful slides, OneDrive for saving all your files to the cloud, and Outlook for sending emails to your friends. So as you can see, Google Workspace and Microsoft 365 are very similar. So which toolbox would I recommend? Well, that's a tricky one. I like Google because it's super easy, but Office 365 looks really fancy. Google Workspace is great for kids in schools because it's simple and works right in your browser. But Office 365 has powerful apps that work even when you're offline. Perfect for teachers and families too. No matter which one you use, both help you learn, write, and share safely. The best tool is the one that helps you do your best work. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today's video learning about the Google and Microsoft tools, your key to being more creative. If you liked learning with me today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your school friends and family so they can work better too. In my next video, I am going to be introducing you to my friend and teacher, Professor Fish, who is going to be helping me with more exciting videos, so you will now have the help of Fish and Chip. So kids, please remember to tell your friends, learning is fun, but learning with Chip is even better. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now.